Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you update on my potatoes and one sweet potatoes I planted. So I did planted this 2 weeks ago, and I did plant some seed-in potatoes which I got from Amazon because I never planted any potatoes or any sweet potatoes before. So it's my first time, and if you guys are your first time and you really want to try this out, I'm making these videos so you guys could see, and I'm gonna tell you guys, after 2 weeks I'm really impressed. And even with my sweet potato, so basically the one sweet potato I had, it was in my pantry, and it got overripe and it will start growing up with this shoot. It's about a 4-gallon container right here. I do have holes on the bottom and also on the side right there, and as you can see, these are potato. This was the 2 weeks ago. As they were growing guys, I did add more soil. So remember one thing guys, the potatoes grows underneath of the soil, so as your plant rises you could fill your soil up all the way up. And this is another 4-gallon container, but as you can see, for some reason this one is massive. Well, not really massive, but it's way bigger than, it grows way faster than the other one for some reason. You could see it's rich green leaves, and as you can see I try to like put some soil back in there, and I water it. It's moist, nice. Guys, planting potatoes, always go with a 5-gallon if you can. But like me, if I have a 4-gallon, it's still fine. You're still gonna get some potatoes, but you're not gonna have like a massive, production. And this one here is a smaller 3-gallon container I had, and I did planted one potato. And this right here, guys, this massive running away right here, if I lift it up, this is the sweet potato, guys, and man, I can't believe it. So beautiful, the leaves, and it's just growing. As you guys could see, it's just growing. Oh, got a bug there. I'm gonna have to check that out somewhere. Ants. I'm gonna have to put some cayenne pepper to get rid of these ants. So as you could see, and I did plant one potato, guys, one baby one there, and you can see it's now shooting up there. But the sweet potato, guys, the sweet potato is just growing all over. So when I'm ready to harvest these sweet potato and the potato, guys, I'm going to show you a follow-up video, and we're going to check out the progress and if the home sweet potato actually work and how the smaller container work, because I do have a bigger container over there, which on the same day, if you guys saw my previous video when I planted these guys, my pepper plant, this one pepper plant just keep running in there. So this one is a bigger container, guys. You could see it's halfway full, more soil too, and this container is wide enough so it could fill with potatoes. Mass production because you have more space, more soil, and as it's growing, as I mentioned, guys, I know I said it a million times, but I'm gonna let you guys know again, add more soil as it's growing because the potatoes on the bottom, and I'm pretty sure with the wider space and more soil you could probably get a more massive production of potatoes. So as you guys see right there, it wasn't hard. You just plant your seeded potato, or even if you have, like I told you, show you guys with my regular sweet potatoes, I planted a regular one, and it's just growing, guys. It's just growing. This is my first time seeing a potato plant, so I'm very impressed, guys. And a sweet potato plant, it's gorgeous when you plant these things, guys. Then I got some I gotta tell you, I do had some beets over here that I left, and they're growing nice, they're growing good, but I didn't get a chance to separate them, and within weeks, I'm telling you, they just blast off. And I just wanted to show you guys a beautiful bell pepper already changing its color. Look at that, amazing, guys. We have a lot of stuff just going on over here, so I'm gonna definitely keep you guys up to date with my potato and the one home sweet potato that I found. You leave it in your closet, you leave it in your pantry, and you forgot about it, and then it start growing as a plant. Hey, might as well plant it, right? All right, guys, so there you go. I just want to show you guys an update of my potato, and obviously, and growing in the container, guys. Make sure I put brand new soil, rich soil, so the nutrition is high. It's really good. And if you want, guys, always add your compost or a plant food, anything to help them out. But so far, soil alone has been doing an amazing job. You guys know when you have good soil, you'll produce good vegetables. So I'm a big fan of potatoes and sweet potatoes, so I'm super excited and can't wait. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and guys, don't forget to subscribe. It's 100% free, and stay tuned for more video from Green Tea Garden.